Man, playing Crash in Jamaica, man. Look how pretty. Very pretty. Look on them people. Good old plane. See light a bling there and I see. And I see man there Lanny. Real life story people. You know see what go on. And I see man there Lanny. And I see land. See what go on. Real life story. I don't know. Joking something. Lanny man there Lanny I see. Plane Crash in Jamaica. Gregory YouTube. Share and like. Subscribe. What I'll give him more me. You see them people? You see it? See the people? Big old something, look. You know, I see. Look on it. Look on it. You know, I see me people. You see it? Plane crash. In Jamaica, look on it. See all the light are being there. You see it? You see it? You see what I go on people? Real life story. I overload, you know. Check it out, my people. Real life story, man. Plane crash, man. In Rocky Point. Real life story. Joking something.
Hey, take care of fight. Alright, so what kind of something you do, man?
This office tomorrow morning, we take it the same way. So we are talking about cause inside that plane there. Real life story.
Hold on. Papa, sit good. We're going to go inside.
See there?
Papa, sit good. We're going to go inside.
Joking something, man.
I'm joking something in our life thing this way, Rocky Point, right on the season, White Sand Beach. Serious thing, you're inside your plane this. Look, serious thing you're talking about.
Plane crash.
Plane crash.
Everything. Look what I go on. Look what I go on, people.
How
They have everything, my people. See what I go on, people. I don't have oxygen, real phone. Everything there.